talagang halatang halata, hindi ito from the people. Ito ay isang political operation. Sino magbe-benefit? We know that it comes from the lower house. Papasalamat po ako sa mga senador sa inyo po at talagang wala pong naniniwala sa amin na ito'y inisyatibo talaga ng taong bayan. At nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo, mga honorable senators natin, na ito'y na-expose nyo sa taong bayan. Itong tinatawag na inaamin naman po, ito'y isang political operation. The scale alone of this operation, talagang halatang halata, hindi ito from the people. Okay, we are talking about operation manager. We're talking about what? Two-stage. The fact alone that there's a two-stage type, it points to a design. Una muna, people's initiative just to settle whether joint or separate ang voting. Then saka pa yung actual amendment. So this is really part of a grand design. Yung si ordinaryong Juan na pipirma doon, alam niya ba na ang pinipirmahan niya pala na disenyo ay babaguhin ang economic provisions? Of course not. Ibig sabihin, meron pang patutunguhan to, hindi maaring galing sa people yan, Madam Chair. Yan ay talagang disenyo. And of course, since it is a political operation, there are politicians behind it. And of course, as we say, kapag motive, opportunity, at sino may power to do that, sino magbe-benefit, we know that it comes from the lower house.